YouTube, what's up? As you can see, there's been some progress made. I didn't really have a chance to video me pulling the engine and transmission out. I did do it separately. I dropped the transmission first, and then I pulled the engine out yesterday. So, um, in the future videos, I'll go in detail about how I'm going to integrate this wiring harness with the LS harness. I do want to eventually put air conditioning back in the van, but for now, I'm just going to get it running and driving with the stock 5.3 4L60 coming out of a 2002 Chevy Avalanche. I'm going to show you guys every part I'm going to use, give you part numbers. I give you prices if you want that, but of course, prices change. So the price that I got it for may not be the price you get it for whenever you do your swap, but I'll try to break it down. Piece by piece, wire by wire. That way I can help someone out if they decide to go this route. This van is a 95, so there is more room in here, I believe, than the older vans. I don't know what years are different, but I do know mine is a 95 and it's huge in here. So, but just wanted to give you guys an update. I haven't forgotten about you. Progress is being made, but going forward, I will video more. That way, you guys can keep track.